Greenworks 2000 PSI 13 amp 1.2 GPM horizontal electric pressure washer with hose reel GPW2001. Greenworks offers a wide range of pressure washer cleaning solutions to fit any homeowner's needs. The 2000 PSI pressure washer features a powerful, quiet 1.3 amp induction motor and all of the accessories you need to get the job done right. Heavy-duty 13 amp induction motor will strip, brighten and clean your surfaces back to new. 2000 PSI and 1.2 GPM makes removing stains effortless. 25 feet high pressure hose and 35 feet power cord allow you to reach a larger dual built-in soap tanks, 0, 25, 40-degree nozzle tips, wand and low-pressure foam sprayer included. Compact design with wheels, high-pressure hose reel and cable holder for easy storage and transportation. Greenworks 2000 PSI 13 amp 1.2 GPM horizontal electric pressure washer with hose reel GPW2001. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.